welcome to our channel. So, in the hub of the entire concrete jungle, we found out a Punjabi restaurant which serves a vegetarian, no garlic and no onion food. Let's take you there and have some delicious food. दिल चोरी साडा हो गया की करिए one complimentary masala papad. So I'm hoping it's a legit masala papad. Yummy. This is the Gur Wali dry fruit lassi, and it's filled with dry fruit. The sweetness of gur, that's jaggery, and the tanginess of the curd. It's yum. And having it in a earthen glass, it's like a true traditional authentic feeling of having a lassi.
Famous must-have starters of KAPOOR'S cafe: crispy corns, sweet corns, fried till crispness. It's crispy, and it's dressed with a grated cheese and a mint chutney. And here we have cheesy, buttery paneer tawa tikka, which is served in a steel plate, and it's lovely. You can see it's decorated with green capsicum and yellow capsicum, again green, so it has a variety of colors, and it's also served with a mint chutney. So they have sandwiched the paneer, and in the middle they have added the cheese slice. And the paneer is mulayam, soft like a cotton, and the sandwich is well maintained with the cheese, a slight hint of spiciness, and it's well tasted with the milk chutney. It's lovely. Let me taste the crispy corn. It's one of my favorites as a starter. This crispy corn is so addictive. If you have one spoon, you're gonna have continuously spoon after spoon. It's delicious. And with a masala soda or with a lassi or with any drinks, a must-have starter. Thali. It Looks delicious, and we have a variety of like dishes here. We have my favorite aloo sabzi. We have my favorite. All are my favorite. I'm dying to have it. So let's start with the puree and pinchola. This is the size of my head. This is a pinchola. Wow, look at the color. Yummy delicious.
Liverpool start fighting. Liverpool and City start fighting. United start fighting.
This pink chole is to die for. The khatas or the tanginess it has with the curd and the spiciness of the red chili. It's a match made in heaven with the bhature. Amazing. Now I want to try the misi roti. Wow, it's filled with the besan. Look at the spices, the chili, the methi, the jeera, the red chili, and it's smudged with ghee. I'm gonna dip this in a ghee again.
December is start, right?
I'll try with aloo sabzi. Delicious. Yeah? In the background, the Hindi songs are being played. With that dish, you will dance or you will eat. So they have mashed it together. Food dances in your mouth. So here I'm going to try the dal makhani. Look at the tadka they have. Wow. The jeera ka tadka and that red chili smell. Perfect. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Must have Thali. A must place to visit. So here we are trying the Shahi Paneer. It has a capsicum and its gravy looks delicious. Oh my god. And when I'm having this song, sorry, yes, I am right. The paneer is singing its song. It's delicious, it's adorable, it's fantastic. It's mouth-watering. As I mentioned, as I was having the song, yes, I'm having the song. So guys, this is also one of my favorite subsies. Lady finger, bhindi, and it's masala wala bhindi. So I love the bhindi as a vegetable, and KAPOOR Cafe has made the justice to the bhindi. Look at the color, look at the sauce, look at the fry, well cooked, well seasoned, and it's tasty and it's lovely, it's amazing. There are one more spoon. So here we have veg seekh kebab. Wow. So it has varieties of vegetables. It has corn, it has potatoes, it has mashed carrots, methi, saag and everything. So let me have it with the mint chutney. Wow. Nice. Very good. Very different, because we generally feel that how can a veg kebab work? Perfect. Perfect balance of vegetable. Perfect balance of seasoning. Very good. So now we are trying the ghee roti. This also has some spices inside, dhania, chili flakes and all. So which one do I try with? I'm gonna try with dal. Wow. SWAD Punjab. It's lovely. This roti is complementing the dal and the dal complementing the roti. They've given me an in-house achar. It looks like a mixed achar. Wow. FYI, this papad is deep fried. I'm having the shahi paneer with the mutton pulao. Look at the piece, guys. Wow. दिल चोरी साडा हो गया की करे ओ की करिए. You also get an individual plate of butter pulao and shahi paneer or any other complimentary or side dishes. You can have it individually or you can have it in a thali. But there's one interesting fact in KAPOOR'S cafe. It's a vegetarian restaurant, it's a Punjabi restaurant. It's a way different taste which Bangalore generally has. But if you see the surroundings,
you will find a diverse crowd who enjoys Punjabi food in KAPOOR'S cafe.
So please come, please have the food and enjoy your lunch or your day. So now we are having a katori full of moong dal halwa, drenched in ghee. Wow. And it's great, it's garnished with full of almond flakes. My mouth is watering. Wow. You know, it will go so good as sleeping only. We have halwa with suji ka halwa or any halwa or a pie-ish with luchi or puri. So I'm guessing this will also do pretty well with the bhatura side. Wow, so I'm going to try. It's amazing, guys. I was right. It is a perfect match. The bhatura goes very good with print chole. The bhatura goes well with the moong dal halwa. This place is a treasure for the food lovers.
I'm the manager of KAPOOR'S Cafe. We are famous for Punjabi vegetarian food. We serve here Jain food also, like no onion, no garlic food. And also our must try food is like tawa paneer tikka is in the starter, and corn cheese roll cheese pataka bola must try starter. And for the main course you have to try our Maharaja Thali. This from our recommendation. And I just wanted everyone to follow our page in KAPOOR'S Cafe page in Instagram. Please come and visit at RAJAJINAGAR bank. We are in Rajkumar Road at Porto next to Axis Bank. Please subscribe to Local SKP and they are doing a great job. Thank you.
Finally guys, we are done with the Maharaja Thali. At a heart out. So there is one wall in KAPOOR'S Cafe which says, I'm Punjabi and we don't keep calm. It's the true line for KAPOOR'S Cafe. Till the time we came here, till now, the KAPOOR Cafe has been full and packed. So I am standing here with a final dessert. It's rabri and gulab jamun. It looks delicious. It's gonna be yummy. The ambience here is awesome. The hospitality, it's mind-blowing. The food is delicious. And the place is Insta-worthy. If you have not liked the video, like, share, comment and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one.